How about today we will teach you how to obtain the value of the resistors and we will give you a brief explanation about the subject.
Resistors are manufactured in variety of shapes and sizes. In the larger ones, the resistor value is printed directly on the resistor body, but in the smaller ones it's not possible. To easily obtain the value of the resistors, the color coding uses the first two bands indicate the first digits of the resistor value. The third band indicates how many zeros must be increased to previous value to obtain the final value of the resistors. The fourth is band tell us the tolerance, and if there is a fifth band, it indicates to relativity.
If a resistor has the following color bands: red, yellow, green, and golden. Example of using color coding. The resistor has a value of 24 million ohms, plus or minus 5%. The maximum value of the resistor is 25,200,000 ohms. The minimum value of the resistor is 22,800,000 ohms. The resistor can have any value between the maximum and minimum calculated. The colors of the resistor bands do not indicate the power it can dissipate, but the size of the resistor gives an idea of the maximum dissipation it can have.
There are resistors with value of ohms, kiloohms, mega ohms. These last two units are used to represent the very large resistors. Below are some equivalents between them. 1 kiloohm equal at 1000 ohms, 1 mega ohm equal 1 million ohms, 1 mega ohms equal 1000 kiloohms.
Here is another example that shows you how to get the tolerance of the resistance. The first color tells us that it has a value of 2, the second of 7, and the third value is by 100,000 or at 5 zeros. The resistance will be worth 2,700,000 ohms. Easy, isn't it? What will your tolerance be? Because as it's silver color, it's 10%. That resistance may have values between 2,700,000 ohms, plus minus 10% of that value. It can be worth 270,000 ohms, more or less of the theoretical value, which is 2,700,000 ohms. The one that comes in the color code table image is black, red, green. It's 200,000 ohms, tolerance 10%. A resistance with the following green, black, brown colors, it will be a 50 plus a 0 of brown. It's 500 ohms.